Hey, welcome back. So today what I'm going to do is I bought this test kit. I'll get the camera over here in a little bit and show you closer, but it's some test stones, and what you do is you rub a coin or a piece of jewelry. Let's see. You can rub a coin or a piece of jewelry. Here's the actual stone. You can rub a coin on there, and you see how it makes a line right there. Then this is silver. It's 64. I don't know what grade of silver is. So we have 10 karat gold, 14 karat gold, 18 karat gold, 22 karat gold, and this is the one that's silver. It says silver. So when I put this on that line, let me just put a little drip on there and see what it does. So anyway, you don't want to see me. Let me put the cap back on this. Okay, so this one is silver. It says silver right there. I hope you can see that okay. And you got this one is 10 karat gold. This one is 14 karat gold. This one is 18 karat gold. This one is 22 karat gold. Already showed you the silver one. And this one is platinum. So if I get some platinum, which I don't have any, I don't think, I can test it with that. And what you do is you take this stone and you take a coin. Let's see, I've got this eagle here. It's an old one. It's let's see, 1942. I mean, it's beat up pretty good. I'm just going to try it. Okay, so I got a pretty good line on there, as you can see. So that's silver. So let's just see here. This says silver. Let's just put a little drip on there, a little tiny drip if I can, and see what it does. So let's see. I don't know. Can you see that? It's turning a little bit. Let me get my cheat sheet out here and see what that is. Maybe I didn't put enough on there. Let me put just a tad more on there. Try a different spot. Now let's see what it does. And here's the different colors. Different ones for silver. You got red, a darker red, and a green. Let's see, what's green? 0.500 silver. So we want the bright red if we have anything here. That don't look bright red. I don't know what color you would call that. That's kind of I guess it's red. I guess it's one of those colors there. It's turning red. It looks like it's probably, I would say that's 999. That's pretty bright red. That's probably this color right here. So it's probably 925. I'm gonna back up. 925 is probably what it is. Silver. Let me try a couple of other things here. So I'm gonna put a link down below in my store that you can order one of these kits if you want to. I'm going to try this Kennedy. I mean, it's been cleaned. It's not really that good. So let's just see. I'm going to try a little bit bigger of a spot here. There you go. Now I'm going to try this silver again. The silver. Let me shake this up. Okay, now let's try it. So now let's see what that does. Okay, that's turning red. And that would probably be the dark red. Dark red is 800 silver. I don't know, the book tells you something different, but that's a acid test there for that. So, but anyway, let's try something else. I don't know where this even came from, but we got this little gold necklace. It might not even be gold. It might be completely fake. But I'm going to take a little piece of the end here, and I'm going to see if I can make me a little mark here on the stone here, and see if it's see what it is. So now let's start off with, let's see, let's start off with 10 karat gold. Let's see if what that is. 10 karat gold. That was silver testing we did before. Gold testing. We did a little swap there, and we're going to see. Let's see. Okay, so drop 10 karat acid on the line. Fully dissolved, not gold. Partly dissolved, 1 to 10 karat gold. Not dissolved, 10 karat gold or greater. So we're going to take this. Let's shake it up. I bet I have to poke a hole in the top of it. I got to put a hole in the top of it, I believe. Nope. This one's open. Let's see. Did that dissolve? I'm pretty sure that dissolved. So that says that ain't gold at all. I know this is gold. I know this is gold. Let's see what this does. See how that did not dissolve at all. So this ain't even gold. I don't know what it is. But you can see right there, when I put that on there, it didn't dissolve at all. So let's put a little drip of 14 karat gold. And that didn't do anything either. So let's try 18 karat gold on this one right here. Yep, there it dissolved there. So my ring is 18 karat gold, or about that. It's between 14 and 18. Okay, what is this stuff here? Neutralizer. So I want to try this again. I thought for sure that this was gold. It had me fooled. Did it have you fooled? It had me fooled. I'm going to try it again. I'll get a good one this time. Okay, so now we're going to try 10 karat gold again. And it just dissolves it, so it's not gold at all. So anyway, what do you think? Did I waste my money? Because I really can't see the colors that they show you when they're selling these things, and they show you these bright colors and stuff. I don't know if the stuff is just old or what, but I just don't seem to be getting the colors out of it that they show on the videos and everything else. And I thought that this was gold. That's junk. That's nothing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. At least it was entertaining, maybe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you want one of these great t-shirts, it says Save America 1776. The link is down below in the merchandise tray. Click on it and go get you one. And I appreciate it. It helps out the channel. And hey, till next time, you guys have an awesome day. And I'll see you on the next video. See you later.